Right out of the gate, we've got a tale of two markets unfolding this morning. Fear is gripping the market at 33 out of 100, and that sentiment is showing up loud and clear in today's opening action. The Dow Jones is the early leader here, up 219 points or 0.42%, but don't let that headline fool you. The S&P 500 is barely moving, up just 0.05% at 7512. Meanwhile, the Nasdaq is actually in the red, down 60 basis points, and the Russell 2000 is trailing further behind at negative 0.24%. This is a classic divide between mega-cap strength and everything else struggling to keep up. So what's driving this split? Big tech is getting hammered this morning. Meta is down 1.65%, Microsoft is sliding 1.49%, and Salesforce is the single biggest loser on the board, down 2.08% right out of the gate. These are your heavyweight names, and they're telling us that investors are rotating away from software and social media exposure. But here's where it gets interesting. Netflix is jumping 2.01% in the opening minutes, AMD is up 1.5%, and Goldman Sachs is surging 1.51%. The financials are having a strong open, and chipmakers are catching some bid action. This suggests money is moving from pure software plays into hardware and banking. The analyst community is actually heavily bullish on these names getting hit today. Microsoft has 63 buy ratings against 0 sells. Amazon has 70 buy ratings with no sellers. Nvidia carries 64 buys and just 1 sell recommendation. So we're seeing a classic disconnect where Wall Street remains constructive, but the market is pushing back on valuations at the open. Your mega-cap names are underwater. Apple is down 0.58%, Amazon is negative 0.74%, and MasterCard is off 0.27%. Healthcare is mixed, with Johnson & Johnson up 0.66%, but United Health down 0.29%. Energy is actually catching a bid, with ExxonMobil up 1.22% and Chevron climbing 0.69%. The big story you need to watch is Apple right now. The stock is down modestly, but there's chatter this morning about an intellectual property lawsuit against OpenAI